Guys, it is 8:49 now. No, baby, you're not going outside. Only the dogs. Coming. My phone is going off. Come here. Come here. No, baby, don't touch. This girl loves going outside. Doesn't matter what time of the day it is. She was going around the house looking for her shoes, saying shoes, shoes, shoes. But yeah, we're gonna make our smoothie. I was actually not even gonna make this a vlog. I was just gonna make it like a morning routine, my last morning routine here. But I'm not that creative. And I have something on my chin. Yeah, I do. So I'm gonna make the smoothies, like always, and then head to my mom's house and drop my daughter off and then go to work. Because it's Monday. It is Monday the 1st. It is the 1st of July. Yes, it is. So, my daughter was crying. It's not really focused on me yet. My daughter was crying from... I was in the kitchen making our smoothies. She's crying. She's like crying. She's upset. So, I'm thinking... She fell from the stairs. That's my first thought. She fell. So I go and look at her. Oh my gosh, baby. Look at you. Don't touch me. Hold on. We'll get this. Do not touch me. Look at the floor. Quit moving around, child. How did this happen? Ronnie, I am really sorry. I'm trying to clean it. I really am. Guys, my sister gets home in about an hour. Well, for right now, these go right here. Oh, right here. Can you see how little her shoes are? Obviously, she's 1 year old, so. Yeah, it's 9:10. And as you guys know, it takes me 10 minutes to get away, like to get out, I'm stressed. I didn't even make the bed. I didn't do anything. Okay. How do I do this? Okay. Oh my gosh, I forgot to close that door. No, this isn't yours. Move your finger, baby. If I wouldn't have seen that, you'd already be losing a finger. Here's the water bowl. Baby, stop doing that. Stop making that noise. Go, 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 move, 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 move. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go home. I am only taking Kira. My sister will be here in about an hour and a half. I'm leaving the camera so that she can vlog the dog's reaction to her coming home. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be happy. This is the first time she's away from them, I think, that long. Of course, she's been away from him because we've had him for 6 years. But the puppies are not even a year old yet, so yeah, I'm gonna leave the camera. Taking Kira, taking my daughter. I'm pretty sure there's something I'm missing, but oh, okay. Being your thing. I know I always take you. Come on, Benji. Come on, Benji. Okay. Okay, bye guys. It's not in focus. Oh my god. I look like death. I don't know how to make it go in focus. Karen.
Holy crap, I look like this. Okay, we're home. We're gonna go surprise the dogs. You wanna shut the garage before we go? I feel drunk. Hi, babies. Hi. They don't care. Hi, babies. Being scared. Hi, babies. Hi. Oh, I missed you guys so much. Yes, I did. Hi, babies.
What?
Hey, Benji boy. Hey, I'm kidding. Okay.
Ready? Got it. So I just got off work. I haven't seen the puppy's reaction. I guess, like, I'm gonna... 1 second. Oh, I'm gonna wait until I edit the video to watch the puppy's reaction. My sister told me it was nothing special. They were not that excited. I'm going home now. It is 3:30, so I'm gonna go home and make dinner. Yeah.